If you don't respond to your leads within 5 minutes, they will vanish from your CRM. And if you're a career entrepreneur or in remote sales, then you're probably wondering why your leads are not picking up the phone, right? Well, it's because you're calling them too late after they've initially inquired. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can increase your closing rate by 80% to make sure your leads do not vanish into thin air or ghost you in 2025. A Harvard study showed that if you call your leads within 1 minute of them contacting you, then you could increase your closing rate by 80%. And if you call them after 5 minutes, your closing probability drops to 20%. And this is why your leads are ghosting you. It's not because they're not interested in what you have to offer. It's just that their attention has gone elsewhere. And you could easily close more leads if you implement a system that can allow you to nurture the leads better and contact them a lot sooner. So currently, your business might not have any systems in place to actually implement this type of workflow, right? So you might currently have the mindset of, your clients or customers will wait around for days and weeks for you to respond to them. But the sad reality is, in this day and age, it's just not going to happen. What you could look at is the flow of how your leads are generated and the engagement method in the initial contact. For example, do you have a text us now on your call to action? Do you even have a live WhatsApp business chat so your clients can chat with you in real time? All of these above methods would eliminate the time it takes to speak with your clients from when they first inquire about your product or services. When it comes to inbound leads, customers will buy from people who they can get in touch with first, right? It's not who calls them a day after they inquire. I mean, think about this. Imagine this situation. All of the day-to-day things people go through in a 24-hour period. Then think about if the person has a wife, a husband, children, a dog, a job, and then hobbies and other commitments on top of that. Then think about all of the interactions they would incur on a daily basis. Therefore, you must be the top of mind when it comes to your leads. And I personally use Brilliant Closer for macOS, which you can get in the link in the description to manage my lead flow. But you can implement Call Now CTAs, Email Now CTAs, WhatsApp Now CTAs, because you want the fastest way to speak with potential clients. And I don't want them getting distracted and, going somewhere else. That's exactly what you might have been experiencing with your leads and why they're evaporating from your CRM. So what you can do is implement one simple CTA that allows you to speak with the client within 1 minute, 4 minutes maximum. Therefore, it's going to increase your chances of closing the lead by 80%. Now, think about this. Do you think the customer would be happy if you called them in 1 minute of them leaving their details when the ID was fresh? Or do you think one day or 3 days later when they are busy again with their lives? I mean, look, it's a no-brainer really, isn't it? People's attention span are shorter than a goldfish, which is 6 seconds to be exact. So the same principles apply when it comes to responding to leads. Simply put, call them within 4 minutes maximum of them inquiring and close more leads. Use systems like Brilliant Closer, which I've designed specifically for this purpose on macOS, to nurture your leads, and then you'll have a recipe for success and you'll actually have a better understanding of what's going on. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and comment, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.